Hello guys, technology has the power to change the world. In today's world, science and technology are able to assist us, control us and helps us to rethink the way we live. So there are some list of the technologies that will probably transform our lives over the upcoming decade. So without late, let's get started. Number 1. Space tourism. The world is so small that we can fly to any country we want without a problem. But what if one day we all see the Earth from space? Yes, it is going to possible with the space tourism. Several companies like Virgin Galactic and SpaceX are hoping to turn the dream into reality one day by providing us with the tickets to spaceships that will carry us into the orbit. Already, Amazon's new Shepard space shuttle will take passengers up to 100 kilometers above the sea level and parachuting them back to the Earth. Number 2, that is flying cars. We should not be surprised if we drive the cars to the sky when there was no space left on the roads. Already many interesting designs of flying cars have been developed, showing that this is a real possibility in the future. One of the flying car company named Aeromobile already working on this technology.
And nurtured for over 300,000 hours of engineering, design, and testing. I'll give you the freedom to go anywhere you want, whenever you want.
Aeromobile, the incredible flying car, an unbelievable creation.
Imagine what we can experience together.
Number 3, that is solar panel technology. Solar panels are another technology that has been around us, but their future potential is very huge. We have seen the Tesla solar roof tiles. They are now hidden in our roof tiles, but some companies are also developing some ways to hide them on car roofs to power in car technology to extend the battery lives. And number 4, that is hyper fast trains. Imagine you could travel from one country to another country in the same amount of time as you currently traveling from one town to another town. Yes, it's going to possible with the hyper fast trains. Another Elon Musk company, that is Hyperloop, is developing and testing high speed underground transportation systems. It is planned to establish a route from Los Angeles to San Francisco as it's a first route. And also another route is planning to connect from New York to Washington, which takes only 29 minutes instead of 3 hours in normal transport. So the development of hyper-fast underground trains can also show impact on the international travels. And next one is number 5, that is personal air. Nowadays, wearing masks in public has become common in every place. So it's not hard to imagine we all one day be using tech-rich breathing accessories for the same purpose. Already, Air Ring company has developed an air purifying mask that removes viruses and pathogens from the air. Soon, this type of technology is likely to become more common in the future. So that's all for today, guys. These are some interesting futuristic tech. If you really enjoy the content, hit the like button and share to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Bye guys.